The injury that most immediately led to the child's death was an impact to the head that caused a skull fracture as well as a brain bleed.
Breaking now, a Mobile woman and her boyfriend pleading not guilty to murder charges in the death of the woman's 3-year-old son.
A judge denying bond for Abraham Hatch, the boyfriend of Tatiana Edwards. Edwards' bond is set at $150,000. Fox 2 News investigative reporter Brendan Kirby joins us now live. And Brendan, prosecutors claim the child suffered horrible abuse over a long period of time.
Yeah, that's right, Byron. Mobile County prosecutors say that Tyron's death last week was the culmination of weeks, if not months, of abuse. Mobile County Chief Assistant District Attorney Keith Blackwood says Tyron Edwards died from a blow to the back of the head. But he says the autopsy shows broken bones and other injuries occurring at different times.
We do know that he suffered over a period of time chronic abuse, multiple stages of healing for those bruises and fractures and burns.
Prosecutors say they haven't decided whether to seek the death penalty for Abraham Hatch. They accuse him of inflicting repeated abuse upon the child and say the boy's mother, Tatiana Edwards, was complicit and helped cover it up. Lawyers for Edwards and Hatch deny those allegations.
We've not seen any allegations other than the complaint.
It is mere allegations at this point. And like I told the court when we were in there, when she was awoken by the co-defendant at 10 p.m. saying the child wasn't breathing, it was at that time that she noticed bruises.
I didn't notice anything.
Erica Massey, Tyron's grandmother, was in the courtroom today. Her son is the boy's father from a previous relationship with Edwards. Massey says she had the child as recently as last month and didn't see any signs of abuse until she saw him at the hospital last week.
He had to get those injuries that night because I didn't see anything. Remind you, I'm a grandmother, an old school grandmother.
Yeah. Yesterday, I talked to Terrence Ball. He's Tatiana's father and the grandfather of the boy. He says his daughter didn't whip her child. He says he did notice small injuries, but not serious enough to trigger alarm.
Him being, a boy and 3 years old, they can get into stuff.
Prosecutor Blackwood says his office will prosecute the case vigorously.
He should have had the support of his family. He should have had the support of his mother. And instead, the last few weeks of his life, he was apparently tortured and abused and killed.
A preliminary hearing has been set for September 22nd for both defendants. Tyron would have turned 4 next month. Reporting live in Mobile, Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.